Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Microsoft form. So let's have a look now. Open your web browser and log into your account. In the Microsoft Form dashboard, locate the form you want to delete. Click on the three dots from the menu. Select Delete. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm by clicking Delete. If you want to delete it permanently, click on the Recycle bin. Then click on these three dots. Choose Delete. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.